What's going on, everybody? Mike here. Welcome back to Tahoes and Turbos and day 2 of our daily vlogs for the whole month of November. Speaking of, it is November 2nd, 2024. It's a little bit chilly out, -4, -11 with the wind chill, but absolutely no snow. Speaking of snow, we're going to head over to Earl Grey for their annual Snow Leopards swap meet and snowmobile show, which always is good. Last year we showed up a little bit late. I apologize for that. This year it's like 9 a.m. right now. The doors open at 9 and it's only like a 10-minute drive, so we're going to be heading there right away to early bird catch the worm. Hopefully I can find the parts I need, and hopefully you guys see some cool stuff that you enjoy. But with that, I'm going to go inside now, finish up my coffee, wait for Ma to come for the ride because it's pretty chilly. Anyways, we'll see you guys there. Hopefully they let me film. Alright folks, we made it to Earl Grey. Quite the turnout, quite a lot of people. So we're going to go in and see if it's okay if I can film. So they do this the first Saturday of the month every November. So let's go and see what's up. Alright folks, we spawned inside. Let me zoom out. Before we check out the vendors, let's take a look at some of these skidoos. So, real nice old sleds here. And hopefully, you can find some old 440 parts. This is nice. Little links. That is cool. You like that, Haley? That's really a kitty cat. I was looking at one of these for Emmy. That could be pretty cool. So, even those things are still like a couple grand. Panther. A couple of race sleds. Awesome. Well, I'm going to walk around, check out some vendor stuff, and then we'll be back to see what else is up. Alright folks, couldn't really find what we were looking for, but let's do a little walk around on the backside of these sleds. They look good, so just gotta watch the crowd here. Yeah, I think they look just as good on the front side. Like the back sides of them are even, like, look at that. That's nice. Let me zoom that out. There we go. That little tiny kitty cat. This thing is so small. So, unfortunately, couldn't find my pawls or any kind of Rotax parts that I needed. So I'm going to be ordering those online. But next year, guys, we'll have it here probably. Anyways, I'm going to head out, and I will see you outside. Alright, guys. Well, that's it for the Snow Leopards annual swap meet and snowmobile show. So they do it every year. It's really small, as you can see. Hopefully it gets some more word out to get, more attendance and more people coming and more vendors. That'd be awesome. So, but from all of us here at Tahoes and Turbos, thank you guys so much for tuning in today. We're gonna head back now. We've got some family stuff to do this afternoon. Next video, we're gonna be tearing down the old new hood, and putting the windshield and the gauges and stuff, I think, in the one that we fixed, as well as I noticed something about it, and we'll talk about that when we get back to town. Then I'll end the video there, so I don't forget. So we'll see you guys there. All right, folks, back at the shop here, or the basement, I guess, the basement workshop, to end the video because I wanted to show you guys what I was talking about when we were leaving Earl Grey there. Now, you see how it's different, right? All I did for here was just put some wax and grease remover on a rag and wiped it. And that's how it turned out. So I'm thinking, if I wipe the whole thing down, will it come back like that? Right? Comment down below, because I'm going to try it, even on the dash part of it. Right? This cowling part of it I'll do, because it's a little bit how you're doing, but it's not bad. So yeah, that even feels cleaner. Like, I don't know, it's hard to explain. But I got my grinder and stuff here because I was looking for a flapper disc at the co-op. Somebody can smooth all that down just because of the metal, right? Don't want to hit it with no sandpaper or nothing when there's metal sticking up. But anyways, next video, we're going to be taking this apart. Right here, we're going to take the headlight out of it, the hood, the gauges, stuff like that. I might even see if we can even fix it, because it's cracked here. So we might even be able to fix it as well. But yeah, shouldn't be too hard. These come out. I know how to do that. I'm going to take them out of the other hood though. Or actually I'll take these ones out. Maybe I'll restore these ones and then I'll just swap them. We'll see. The kill switch has got to come out. Or the tether, I should say. Which I don't ever run. Gauges, which I did see another set of gauges today at the swap meet. They were like brand new looking. So, but I never grabbed them. Maybe I should have. But, oh well, hopefully there'll be another swap meet here in the fall. I mean, not in the fall, but in the spring. So, I'm going to take the windshield out, get it all straightened out and cleaned up. So, make it look new again. But that's where I just wanted to end the video there, to show you guys that just this stuff here on a rag made it look all shiny. So if it's going to do that, then we'll be in business. So actually, you know what? Give me 1 second. I'm gonna do another little spot and we'll see if my theory's correct. Well, I wouldn't believe it, but I got it because I'm looking right at it. It brought the shine back. So maybe that's all I have to do with it. Just give it a good wipe down. So we do got some rough spots and stuff, right? Not a big deal. Give it a good wipe down. And who knows? I wonder if there's some kind of chemical that's kind of melting the plastic a bit. So it's kind of crazy. Anyways, so yay. Wax and grease remover, I guess, on a rag. Look at how dirty it is. We'll shiny up here a bit. So I'm actually really surprised with that, guys. And with that though, now I'm gonna end the video. I gotta go upstairs and start getting ready. Me and Haley got our monthly WWE pay-per-view stuff that we like to do. It's Saudi Arabia's crown jewel today, so which should be pretty interesting. Hopefully the internet service and everything doesn't fail, because I'm going to be uploading this video at the same time. Anyways, until next time, guys. Tomorrow, day 3. Like I said, we're going to be taking this thing apart and getting this hood ready to assemble, and seeing what we see now with that shine. Look at it, it's like I made my own shine juice. So I just gotta, figure out a different cloth method. I think maybe use a microfiber to apply it instead of a paper towel. Might be a little bit better. So, but yeah, shined up. I'm shocked. I thought it was from the heat. Then I was just gonna take the heat gun to it and we do it at Bob's your uncle. But anyways, I'm rambling. It's been a long enough video, even though it hasn't. Hope you guys enjoyed the Snow Leopards annual swap meet and little slideshow that they do every year. Like I said, it used to be a lot bigger, but COVID really kicked a lot of, I guess, the C word, you can't use it, you can't say that no more. The last couple of years really kicked ass around, a lot of things. So it's getting better. It's getting back to what bigger. So hopefully videos like this will reach more people that will want to come and bring their machines, bring their spare parts, come buy parts, so stuff like that, because it's really big for the community. It's the first Saturday of November every year, either at the Earl Grey Hall or at the Q-Bar Hall. So usually got to watch around the co-op for flyers. That's where the thumbnail came from for this video, I think. Or I might just use a shot from the show. We'll see. But yeah, I found that I went to the co-op to get groceries. I was like, oh, well, I didn't see nothing on their Facebook. So I wish they would have advertised, but you never know. Anyways, that's it. That's it for today. Oh, one last thing. I ordered the parts for the Skidoo on the way home from Earl Grey. I went on to the Evil Bays and I ordered a Paul kit for like $30, I think it was. So that should be here between the 14th and the 25th of November, apparently. Maybe sooner, who knows? Today's the 2nd. You know, a couple weeks. That would be really neat. So, but when it comes, we'll put them in and we'll hopefully have the Skidoo running by the end of the month. That would be cool. So, that like day 30, fire up the machine and have snow on the ground to go for a little ride. That'd be even cooler. So, but I don't know. We'll find out then, guys. So, till tomorrow, I'm Mike with Tahoe and Turbos. Thank you guys so much for tuning in today. And don't forget, support your local community stuff that's going on. It goes a long way. Otherwise, we're going to lose it all. Like, same with your community stores. If we don't start supporting our small communities more, we're going to end up getting these 15-minute communities. And nobody wants that. We like to have our own little, space away from the city and not have to deal with that kind of stuff. But anyways, I'm rambling again. Oh well, love you guys. Take care of yourselves, each other. And remember, if you see someone having a bad day or just know someone's having a hard time, reach out. That 2 seconds could save the life, could save a day, could mean the world to them. You never know. The world's a really, really dark and sad place. Didn't realize how bad it was until I actually started stepping out the front door again and interacting with society again. Oh, yeah. The world's a messed up place, folks. So be nicer if you can. One little act of kindness goes a long way. So until next time, guys, take care of yourselves. Love you. God bless.